Hey, if you want to know how to sell 6 figures worth of digital information products, ebooks, and wondering where to start, this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to explain how one of my clients made $100,000, yes, $100,000 in just 1 year without knowing anything online, but she had an expertise. So I'm going to give you the 5 steps that she used for that. And also, if you want to check out how I made 100K in 25 hours, I'll link the video below in the description if you want to check that out. So let's get back to how my client, who, believe it or not, was a cookie decorator. She was a baker, and she wanted to know how to make more online money. And so when she bought my course on how to create like small, tiny digital offers, it's called Micro Offer Magic, she then went on to create her offer. So that kind of goes back to step 1. It's the framework's called magic, because I love magic. I'm in my magical backyard right now, by the way. If you continue with me and you continue to watch my videos, hit subscribe, you won't miss later when these flowers start to bloom, okay? So anyway, so how she made 6 figures, $100,000, and her testimonial, I'll even link below her testimonial so you know it's for real, because lately I've been getting scam comments underneath my videos. They're like, oh, this isn't for real, but hey, I've been doing this thing for 18 years and have made well over $1 million, made other people their first dollar, their first $100,000, their first $1 million online. So I think I know what I'm doing, so I hope you agree, and just let me know if you want more videos of me sharing more success stories of my clients as well. So M in magic stands for magical offer. Like, you have to have an offer. You have to have something to sell. And what I would suggest is do something that maybe you're already an expert in, right? Like, is there something or you're excited about? Because if you're going to start selling digital products online, you should start with something that you could, a year from now, continue writing about, creating products, whether it be a PDF or an ebook or a course about, and be in joy, right? I really highly suggest that. So with Joanne, she happened to know how to bake and make good cookies. And you also want your offer to be something that's in demand, you know, like are there things right now on Amazon, for instance, that are selling? And yes, cookie decorating is something that's selling, and it can be delivered magically online without having someone show up, knock on your door and say, hi, can I buy your product? It's all delivered digitally, so it's scalable and anyone in the world could buy it. So she created some offers on how to decorate cookies, sugar cookies and all that. And she just took pictures of her beautiful cookies that she made and created a ebook about that and a small mini course. And it started at like just $17, right? So she started selling them. And then from $17, then she would sell maybe something else for $27 of similar, like maybe holiday baking recipes, right? Because if someone who buys, that's what you want to think of is, what is that next step that person's going to make with you? So someone who buys typically a, cookie decorating, recipe course book, what's the next thing? So of course, if you come out with holiday magic, Christmas cookies, Valentine's cookies, Halloween cookies, people are going to buy that. So that's how she kind of stair-stepped her way into getting a customer list and then selling them more things that they already expressed interest in. Makes sense, right? So M, magnetic offer, have an offer. So in magic, the framework, what does the A stand for? It stands for audience. You got to have an audience. You got to start building an audience. Now, we're in 2025. Never been a better time for free that you can build an audience. I happen to believe in YouTube. It's awesome. Google owns YouTube, so that whenever you post videos, they're going to, 82% of my traffic comes from YouTube and Google just recommending my videos to other people. So I don't have to spend any money to get that audience. So I'm starting to build my audience. They're watching my videos like you right now. And by the way, if you do hit comment 5 below and subscribe to my channel, I'll actually give you the whole 1-pager about the magic framework. Like, you'll see a little cute drawing right now. You'll get that totally for free from me. Okay, so just comment 5 below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I'll get that to you in the comments section below. So use YouTube videos. I'm recording just on my iPhone right now in my backyard just to show you how simple it can be. And then you start sending that traffic to your offer, okay? Like below, I have some offers that you can check out as well, like how to make your 100K online or your next $100,000 online. And by joining my Maria's Income Accelerator, you'll see the link below. You can get in for that as well. So that's what you do, start building your audience. Now, you can also run paid traffic like Facebook ads. Sometimes I teach how to run like $5 a day ads to get sales when you want to spend $5 one day to get a $17 sale. It's magical. That can happen, and it has happened. I've been doing Facebook ads since 2012, so it is totally able. You're totally able to do it. So, audience. Start building up your audience. Get on social media. Get on a platform. I prefer YouTube, but if you want to use Facebook, Instagram, that's cool too. Whatever floats your boat. So that's magic. M and A we covered, right? M for your magnetic or mafia or magical offer. A for audience. Start building your audience, who you're selling to. Think about who you're going to sell to. G is for go deliver, right? You got to go deliver it. You got to figure out a system to sell it. Now, below, I do recommend a system that you can start for free called Systeme.io, where you can collect payments online and get it. I also am finding a lot of beginners, if you're a beginner, are starting to use some very simple online selling system called Stan, S-T-A-N, where they're selling that. So I'll include a link below too if you want to go and check that out. Basically what I want you to do is, if you're just starting out, is don't do any complicated funnels, please. You don't need to do that. What you should start doing is just a simple system. Start making sales, start getting buyers, start building your buyer list and your email list, and you will start having success. So G is for go deliver. Figure out how you're going to deliver it, right? Start making a few sales, even to your friends, and get their feedback. So I, in Magic Framework, stands for interact. So you're going to interact with your audience and your buyers to get feedback about it, right? So for instance, if I'm thinking of launching a new product, because I already have an audience, I can just do an email out to them, or I could do even a free Facebook post. I sometimes do, say, hey, would you be interested if I did a masterclass about YouTube and how to make multiple streams of revenue from YouTube? Affiliate income, your own digital offer income, maybe your coaching and consulting or agency income. And if I get enough comments, like people raising their hand and saying, yes, I want that, then I go make a course on it, and I'll charge like $27 or $97 for it. And I've done that many times. That actually can pull in like $3,000 in less than a week, just like that. Okay. So G, in the framework of magic. M, magnetic offer or magical offer. A, audience. G, go deliver. I, interact. So you're interacting, getting feedback. Maybe there's things to improve in your course or your ebook or PDF from that feedback, and you continue making that, and that's how you make a very happy customer. Those happy customers refer others. You get to use their testimonials in your sales page, so it's like a snowball effect. That with that momentum, you'll make more and more money. Does that make sense? Okay, what does the C stand for? Cash conversions. So hey, and there's my dog. I don't know if you see him. Hey Merlin, you want to say hi to everyone on YouTube? That's Merlin, everyone. He is my 85-pound Bernedoodle. I got him as a puppy during COVID. We thought he was going to be about 40 pounds. Turns out to be 85 pounds. Anyway, so let's get back to you and cash, what that means to you. So C is for cash. Basically, you cash, convert to cash, meaning when you start building this audience, now that you've started to make a few sales, right, then you want to build momentum on it. So what you can do then is maybe make a consistent schedule, like say 1 video a week with YouTube, and make sure you're converting to cash, like sending people to your offers, but be consistent about it. So what's going to happen is that consistency will translate to more cash. And what you can do once you have an audience, and what I mean convert to cash, you can sell them other things. Ask people, send a survey out. I've done that. Hey, what else would you like me to sell to you? You don't say in those exact words, but you figure out what their next pain point is, and then you solve it and give them the product for it, right? So that's how you can convert to cash and start making, like my 100K in 25 hours case study, that's on a video below that you can click to. All I had was a $17 information product that I sent people to a $27 information product. And then over the next 30, 40 days, after I made 100,000 in 25 days, it actually turned into $1 million within, it was about 3 or 4 months, because I started offering other things. And even as an affiliate, I started offering, like one of my friends, Jason Fladlin, I started offering his products that were like $1,000, and I'd make a $500 commission. So because I had a buyer's list who knew, like, and trusted me, when I'd offer them other things that I believed in, but I also got a great commission for, all free, digitally, online, because they're on your email list. You just hit an email, hit send, and you've built your ATM machine of your email list and your buyers. Then they buy other things. It was because I knew what they needed, because I interacted with them, part of the magic framework. I hope that makes sense. If you want me to record any other videos for you on a specific topic, please enter your comment below and tell me what. And don't forget, if you want this magical one-pager about the magic framework where you can get to your first $100,000 online, or maybe your next $100,000 online, or $1 million, don't forget to hit subscribe, hit 5 below, and I'll send you that one-pager. Cheers. Bye-bye.